Hi, hello, good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to one and all to Intrazon 2.0, India's largest retail intraday traders online conference. Friends, I'm your host, Ashok Devanampriya from Traders Gurukul. It's a great pleasure to see people joining us in great numbers. Thanks to our media partner, Money Control Pro, and our title sponsor, Espresso, for joining us on board to take this product, to take this lovely intraday conference to a wider group of traders and investors across this country. I would love to introduce our first speaker of the event, Mrs. Swapnaja Sharmaa, a very good friend of mine. She is a director of Words Unlimited, an active trader, passive investor, and a passionate trainer. She has trained more than 500 active traders so far. She has been a very popular person in the YouTube. She has been awarded many times for her various activities related to stock trading. She has been in the market for close to 12 years now. Swapnaja, on behalf of whole family here, I extend my warm welcome for you into this program today.
Thank you, Ashok. It's my pleasure.
So friends, today's session is on the Bank Nifty intraday trading system. So before we kick off, couple of important updates. The session will start every day from 8 p.m. to till 10 p.m. We start with the speaker session, which goes on for about 75 to 90 minutes, and we will keep exclusive 30 minutes for Q&A. We are going to meet every day till the end of this month, where 12 active traders will be sharing 12 different intraday strategies, and there's a lot of learning that is ahead in the days to come. All right, with this, I would like to hand over the stage to Swapnaja. Ma'am, the stage is yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashok. Well, today's topic is the Bank Nifty intraday trading system. Okay. And Ashok, would you like to talk about this?
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause and our special appreciation to Espresso, a Sharekhan company, who accepted as a title sponsor for Intrazon 2.0. The beauty about Espresso is that it is a Sharekhan company. So they are one of the largest stockbroking firms in the country with almost like 23 years of experience. They are one of the first movers to introduce online trading system in India. They do more than 1 million trades every day. They punch more than 1 million orders every day. That is a kind of expertise that Espresso leadership and their management bring on the table. They have an exclusive offer. They never charge for a loss-making trade. So one of the very few discount brokers in this country who charge only when you profit. More details in the upcoming slides. Let's kick off.
All right. Well, guys, I'm Swapnaja Sharmaa, a full-time trader and mentor, founder of Words Unlimited. I stay in Gwalior, MP. I have 13 plus years of experience in the stock market, and I believe in an extensive money management system. I own a YouTube channel by name Swapnaja Sharmaa, which has recently crossed 100K subscribers, where I share my analysis about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily at 9 p.m. And my channel has been awarded by YouTube as well as a creator on the rights. So that's all about me. So let's get started. There is a myth. There is a myth in the public is that intraday trading is very easy way of earning quick bucks daily. But as a trader, we all know that it's not the case. Intraday trading needs more sharper skill set than perhaps any other style of trading, be it any instrument, stock, future, or options. And that's why many people, especially who have burned their hands, always keep advocating in investing over intraday trading, right? And with due respect to their experience, I agree to disagree. I think intraday trading is simple. but not easy. Now, you all must be thinking why I said simple. Just because my rules of intraday trading are very simple. Those who know me or attended my previous webinars must be knowing that I like my strategies to be very simple and with minimum possible indicators so that we can execute the trades flawlessly without any confusion. Now let's address the second part of my statement, but not easy. Yes, it's not easy because sticking to given rules is not easy for those who doesn't have any trading discipline. But on the other hand, those who have the trading discipline generate handsome ROI through intraday. Well, I know that you all must be now waiting for the strategy part to start quickly, right? But before starting that strategy part, I just want to talk about psychology part. Just because if strategy alone would have been so powerful, then every trader must have been the super successful trader. But as we all know, this is not the case. So to become successful trader, we need to work on three important aspects. Okay, these are very important aspects. So the first is trading psychology. The second important aspect is trading logic. And the third one is trading strategy. Look, I'm an intraday trader and I need trending market to make money, right? So what is basically first trading psychology is to stick to the given rule under any circumstances, right? Because that actually helps to build our psychology. Then the logic, as an intraday player, as an intraday trader, I need trending market. So without that, I cannot make money. So you should know when to initiate or avoid the trade, when to open the trade or when not to open the trade. So that logic part, that is the logic part, and we'll talk extensively on that particular thing when we'll open the chart. Okay. And yes, trading strategy. And as you know, every trading strategy has some entry points and exit points. But it's what I meant is there is one entry point and two exit points. And those two exit points are one in the form of SL and other in the form of target, right? So we'll just talk about some part about improving your trading psychology. I'll only open the trade. So if you stick to these rules, whatever I'm writing here on this particular slide, if you only stick to these rules or you will write this rule somewhere on the wall, it will really help you to develop your trading psychology. And the first one is I'll only open the trade when all my trading rule will be satisfied. The second, I'll exit my trade only when all my exit rules will be satisfied. And SL is my friend and I'll place it in the system, not in my mind. And if you work on these three sentences, it will actually help you to improve your psychology. Because as an intraday trader, your psychology play an important role more than your strategy. So we'll start this webinar. Now, I just want to tell you that at the end of the webinar, what would be the key learning points? And those are the first, when to trade with the trend. So at the end of the webinar, what you will learn, when to trade with the trend, when to trade against the trend, and when not to trade. And guys, the third point here, which I have mentioned, when not to trade, it is way more important than when to trade. Okay, because you should know when to open your trade. You should know when to risk your hard-earned money into the market, right? So basically, I'll start when we'll go on the particularly on the charts, I'll start my all the webinar by telling you when not to trade. Okay, then we'll go to the part when to trade again with the trend and the third one will be when to trade against the trend. So now we'll just go through the strategy part, and I know you all must be waiting for this particular part. Okay. So the thing is, what we need a bunch of EMAs. So the first thing is we need 13 EMA. Okay, why 13 EMA? Whatever EMAs I'm using, it has a very strong logic behind it. Okay. So the first 13 EMA. Why 13 EMA? When the candle starts trading away from the 13 EMA, it comes back to 13 EMA again, be it on any time frame. And this logic saves many times from getting into false trades. Okay, I'll just explain you all this on the chart. We'll just go through this theoretical part first. 20 EMA, it acts as a cushion to the price. How? That I'll again explain you on the chart. And 100 EMA, it acts as a great support or resistance. Okay. Now we will be using the candles, and you all must be knowing what are the strong candles and what are the weak candles. So here are a couple of strong candles and weak candles, the bearish candle, and there is a bullish candle. And the third part is marking swing high and low, and how to mark those. With that, I'll tell you on the chart itself. So guys, let's dive in. Okay, here ends the PPT part. Now I hope you can see the charts, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Just give me a second. I'll just put this. Now guys, this session will be an interactive session where I'll be asking you some questions so that I would be able to understand whether you are understanding the concept or not. So whenever I will ask the question, please do respond. Now these are the this is the chart. Now as this I'm talking this all about intraday. So intraday, the time frame will be 3 minutes. Okay, we'll use 3-minute time frame, right? This is the very first point. Now as I said, we'll be using 3 EMAs, which is 13 EMA, 20 EMA, and 100 EMA. All right. A very basic thing is when the 13 EMA is greater than 20 EMA and that it is greater than 100 EMA, the trend is up. Okay. And when the 13 EMA is less than 20 EMA and is less than 100 EMA, the trend is down. This is very, very basic rule. Okay. So whenever we'll find these kind of stuff, the 13 is greater than 20 is greater than 100, according to our strategy, it's the trend is up and vice versa. Fine. Now I'll just hide this price action once. So yeah, now see this. These are EMAs. Okay, I've just hide that price action there, so you won't be able to see any candles right now. So this black line is 100 EMA. Okay, this orange line is 13 EMA, and this blue line is 20 EMA. All right, and we don't need this RSI, so I'll just, yeah, that's it. This is what we need for our strategy. Now, first thing, as I said, the logic part, when not to trade. See, whenever these EMAs, especially the 13 and 20 EMAs, are very close or very near or even merged into 100 EMA like this, we are not going to open any trade. Okay, I'll just mark these, see, I'll just mark this. Just a second. Yeah, I'm just marking these areas. See, these are the points when we are not going to open the trade. Whenever we'll see that 13, now see, this is the thing. I'm again marking these areas. Whenever you'll see that 13, 20 and 100 are very close to each other, or here you can see they are almost merged into each other, we are not going to open the trade. And Guys, this is a very important point that, as I just told you, we should know when to risk our money in the market, and we are not going to risk our money when there is this kind of situation where all the EMAs are merged together. Now, if I just now unhide this price action, now you'll understand why I said so. See, the price actually went nowhere. These are the signs of choppy markets. Now, if you can see these, what are these dotted lines? These are the session breaks. So this is the one day, this is the other day, this is the third day kind of thing. So these are the session breaks, right? But whenever you will find these EMAs are close together or merged together, you will see the sign of choppy markets. So always avoid to open your trade into such markets. See this. Again, we've marked this area, and what happened? Price actually gone nowhere. Okay, it is just the choppiness. It is just the SL hitting case, and nothing else than that. Now again, we've marked certain areas here somewhere. Yeah, see this. What happened? Price actually got nowhere. I'll show you such more examples. I'll again hide this price action, and we'll mark such areas. Okay, so you can understand this concept better. See this. What happened here? Those EMAs are very close to